Hey, if you have aches, pains, injuries, flexibility restrictions, or even weakness in your upper body, and I'm talking like fingers, wrists, elbows, shoulders, even your neck, your upper traps, things like that, well then guess what? I'm gonna show you how to fix every single one of those issues. And what that means, I'm gonna give you stretches. Stretches for your wrists like this, to release the muscles on the inside of your arm here. Movements like this for your elbows, to balance the rotational strength of the elbow joint, which can often relieve that tennis elbow that you might have. And things like being able to put your arms overhead, pain-free, because right now what's happening is you're shrugging your shoulders up and rotating them inward like this, right? There's a lot of things that people do wrong with their upper bodies. And I wanna show you how to fix every single one of these. Why? Because I want you to feel good in your body, because when you move your body better, you feel better in your body. And how am I gonna do this? Well, guess what? We just decided that we're gonna host an upper body fix masterclass. Now, we've done one of these before about 6 months ago, and it was highly successful because we literally went joint by joint through the fingers, the wrists, the elbows, the shoulders, the neck, the upper back, and taught you all the moves that you need to stretch and strengthen your upper body to make your upper body feel good again. Now, the best part about this masterclass is it is 100% for free. We're gonna host this live on Wednesday at 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And I'm gonna go live for at least an hour. And the benefit of joining the live call as well is you can even ask questions to me directly. So if you have particular issues or some of the moves I'm showing you don't feel fully clear, you can ask those questions and I'll be answering them on the live call as well. So if you have any aches, pains, injuries, weakness, tightness in your upper body and you wanna fix it, all you have to do is click link below ASAP and sign up for free.